Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. DFM Market Index, that is Dubai Financial Market, today printed a red candle. Clearly, as I had mentioned in my yesterday's video, market has been printing 4 green candles back to back, and looking at yesterday's candle, there were good chances either it may come down to revisit the support at 4,555 points or it may go sideways from here. Looking at this candle clearly indicates market got rejected today. Next area of strong resistance is 4,658 points. Well, what can happen tomorrow? Most likely what I am seeing is from today's closing there are good chances market would like to visit this zone again to establish a base. If this does not hold, then we have a sign of worry. There are chances it may come down to visit 4,530 points. If this fails, then we have another support at 4,500 points, that is a stronger support. Tomorrow is Friday and usually we do not see big volumes in the market. People also do not carry forward their positions because over the weekend any negative news can impact their positions. So as of now, market is still bullish. We can see nice consolidation around 4,459 points. Market broke to the upside and now I think it's time for a correction. On the positive note, if at all market travels again to the upside, there are very high chances we may see rejection and then a correction. The best scenario would be if at all market can survive above this support and trade within this range between 4,555 points and 4,630 points. It may go sideways here for about 2 to 3 days. Once we see contraction of volatility, then it would be a good chance for market to break to the upside. Exactly like this zone, market went up, we saw contraction in volatility and then it made a big move to the upside. Overall, DFM market is still bullish, it's in a strong uptrend. Weekly candle is very important. Let's see how the market closes for the week. This is the daily chart of ADX Market Index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. Today it closed flat, meaning it closed exactly at the previous day's close. We know resistance is at 9,352 points. Today it made a low of about 9,300 points. It bounced up from here and closed at 9,327 points. Let me give you a quick recap. This area is resistance for the market. We can see long wicks at the top clearly indicating this is resistance zone. Market yesterday got rejected when it was trying for a breakout. But today's candle is again positive. There are chances if bulls are strong tomorrow, then it can print a solid green candle. And by the way, as I keep mentioning, ADX Market Index is still looking weaker when I compare it with DFM Market. And on the weekly analysis I had mentioned it would be good to see ADX market printing a solid green candle because still we are seeing only 30 to 40% recovery of this drop to the downside. Market has recovered a bit. We saw a decline again and now market wants to try and break out this resistance. On the negative side, if at all ADX market is not able to perform tomorrow, then there are good chances it may come down to visit any of the support zone. Major support as of now stands at 9,245 points. I am closely watching how the market will close on the weekly basis so that we will get an indication how market can perform coming week onwards. As of now, ADX Market Index is still going through a correction phase. This is the daily chart of Julfa. Guys, hit the like button if you saw my yesterday's analysis and if at all it performed as per the plan. In case if you have missed my yesterday's analysis on Julfa, I will provide you a iCard. Do watch that video, you will understand how the price action works. On the daily chart, we can see Julfa has printed a red candle. Let me go down to 30 minutes and see how the market performed. And check out here, yesterday I had mentioned if at all market opens with a big gap up. This is yesterday's closing and today market opened at 1.61. So what happened is those who bought at the bottom, they immediately saw good profits in their portfolio. They started to book their profits and price came down. Those who bought right at the top at the time of opening out of FOMO, definitely they are in losses as of now and now they must be waiting for a breakout of this resistance. So let's not rush. As I mentioned, if at all it opens into the resistance zone, it's danger area. We cannot buy into the resistance. There are good chances profit booking will start and exactly this is what happened. And during the day at the last closing point, that is 1.56, we saw a bullish candle. Again it tried to enter the resistance, it got rejected. No harm if you took small quantities around this area or even into the resistance because now we have a good scenario for tomorrow. Let me explain you how. Okay, so what can happen tomorrow potentially is, if at all it opens with a gap up, then there are good chances it may again try and visit this resistance zone. Market has spent the whole day today near the resistance. This area is tested multiple times. There are chances we may see a breakout and even it can close above 1.65. On the negative scenario, if it opens with a gap down, then there are chances it can come down or even go sideways here, and then coming week maybe we will see a breakout. If it opens flat, it's still positive. There are chances it may try and visit this resistance zone. But I'm not expecting a big candle like this that it made yesterday. Just in 30 minutes it was limit up for the day. So again, to repeat, a plan of action should be very simple. We are seeing it has closed in this range. I want to see a breakout of this resistance so that I can take more quantities. If it goes below or if it opens with a gap down, then we are not even touching Julfa. This should be your plan of action, this should be your trading plan, and this should be your mindset. Taking any positions in between would be very tricky because it can even break to the downside. After market opens with a gap up and we see a candle close above 1.61 in first 15 minutes or any time during the day, then there are good chances it may again try to visit 1.65. Once this is taken out, then we have a good run till about 1.75 area. I hope you understood the plan of action. Hit the like button if today's video was helpful. For more detailed analysis, you may join my YouTube membership. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.